Welcome to School of Thumb, the series that gets plant experts to answer your common garden guesswork. We're pruning back gardening to its core and getting you the answers to the questions you've been asking across Australia. Now, how about the people you live with? What's their attitude to your green space?
I love my roommates a lot. They're lovely people, but maybe they don't have the same kind of passion for the garden and for the plants.
He's had great luck with his veggies, but when he goes away, they get neglected. This is a gorgeous looking little fig.
It is, and look at that, it's even got, at this young stage, little fruit already starting to form.
Wow.
Surely that'd keep Scott and his housemates impressed.
I can see the water from your balcony, which makes it so beautiful out there. So it's not just wind, it's sea breeze. Right.
Yeah, exactly.
So that sea salt would really knock around a lot of those indoor plants.
Yeah. So, what's the next step for you?
I think the next step for me is more colour. I want flowering plants or colourful leaves, things like that.
Yeah, okay, well you clearly like colour. I can see your toenails. We've got to get some of that vibe into this greenery. Welcome to School of Thumb. Happy growing, Australia.